Look at this. This is called the Aqua Tunnel and the Twister Tunnel. Or no, it's just Twister, sorry. So you got two slides. You got the, oh, nice. The Serenity whirlpools. Of course, it's adults only. I mean, you look at this. Come up here to relax, guys. Get away from everybody else. You get a great view up here. Like I said, you can still see some of that construction going on down here in Nassau. Always love that view. Matter of fact, while I'm filming, I'll take a couple of pictures of it. And this ship is full, so, and look how nice this is. Everybody's, you know, they're out there in Nassau today. And the Serenity deck is wide open to anyone that are adults. No charge for the chairs as far as I know, and I don't know about the clamshells, but I really don't know that one. So they don't have a bar area open right now, but this is adults only. Very nice.
All crew proceed to your assigned survival craft muster station.
Got the little clam shells. Oh, it's okay. So it's penguins, stingrays, sharks. Penguins are ages 2 to 5. Stingrays are 6 to 8. And the sharks are 9 to 11. And, you know, it takes care of all of them here. And this is the Dr. Seuss. Yeah, look at this spa area. It is very nice. This is a boutique. So, Empress, I think it's the way I may be saying that wrong, but that's the brand that they use. And of course, you've got to have a beauty salon. Look here. I mean, ladies, and then you could go over there and relax, and you get your pedicure here. Yeah. I always say, got my pedicure in the Bahamas. So, of course, this is the men's locker room side of the spa. You have a little waiting area right here, and the showers. And of course, then this is back here with the sauna, the steam room. Yeah, there's a steam room. Very nice. You can feel the heat coming off that. There's a fitness center, gymnasium right here. Elliptical. As I say, you can come in here and work off what you've ate so far that, you know, put them extra pounds on that you do when you're cruising. So, very neat room here. So if you're at the front of the ship here, and
okay, like and subscribe. See me traveling, and also my niece. It's Mandy Sky. Thank you. Subscribe.
She did so good. That must be a Thomas Kincaid right there. old-fashioned barbecue. You see they got some pork butt, chicken, smoked beef. You see your sides right here. And you have, there's your sauces. There's the sauces. She's got some coleslaw, potato salad here. So on deck 10, panorama deck, you can see this up here is where the barbecue is. This is where the steakhouse is. You can see, you know, this is the main part of the, you know, for the buffet and everything. There's the sweet spots. And, you know, it's still lunchtime right now, guys. What kind of cake is that?
Cream bee cake.
Cream bee cake? Okay. Thank you. Look at these desserts, guys. Slicing off some roast beef right here. Yeah. Of course, for lunch, you can fix yourself a nice salad here. Jalapeno hush puppies, sour cream, red skin mashed potatoes. I call them mashed potatoes anyway. That's where you'll have the sushi. How you doing? Yeah. Look at him out there. Standing in line for the pirate pizza. Or pizza pirate, I should say. Everyone looks like they are in that pool. Yeah. Here at Blue Iguana Cantina. Straight back in through there. To the left, as soon as you get back in there. Yes, ma'am. Now this, let's see if I can do this without moving. That's the Blue Iguana Tequila Bar. Put my drink down. Have a little bit of coffee this morning. So right there. Put one on the side, yeah. Now this is the Red Frog Rum Bar. I am always getting it confused. Skybox Sports Bar. The bar area right there. We'll do some filming in here. Get your red frog merchandise.
This is the warehouse. All the fun stuff.
They got a Jurassic Park gang. Halo. So I'm finally getting down in here in some areas that I haven't been down. This is the 70s nightclub. I have not even been in here yet. Today's day 2 and I have not been in here, but look at this dance floor. Can't wait. Have to come in here and do a little filming. Maybe tonight they open it up. You just lounge back in these things. But got a nice bar here. 70s. Opens at 5. Scott's Piano Bar. Now this is a colorful place. I like this. Sit there and plays. We'll get some of this stuff, you know. But we'll be back. I just wanted to make sure I got it on so everyone could see, you know, the different types of bars and swing time. So this would be more like the, I'm assuming like the 20s. Well, no, might be a little. It's called swing time though, so it's a dance. Definitely a dance one. Big band music and stuff, you know. Yeah, the ship ain't empty. It's a full ship, and everybody's out in Nassau, out looking around. So I just thought it was an opportunity while some that I'm with are taking a nap, and you know they all have to take a nap. They just can't hang. We're now in the International Lounge. Now look at this. Now this is a huge lounge. Look at this. Very, very big. I'm going to pull back on this and let y'all see. This is very nice. I have to say, so far I believe this one's my favorite. By the time when I edit this and everything, putting it all together, I'll know. Like that drop down bar right there. Look at that. Yeah.
We're going down to 4. Yeah. And y'all can see in this atrium, there's Marsha. Say hi, Marsha.
Cut this out because of the music that is playing. See the games and stuff. Yes. Let's see if I can stand here.
I really think all these ships are beautiful the way they design them.
We are on deck 4. This is a 2-level restaurant.
The Chic Restaurant in Circle C.
The dining room.
So let's head on down to deck 3. It's just right over here, the bar area. You got back in here, you got guest services and excursions and things over here.
Hi.
How are you?
I was just filming you for YouTube. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Of
Hello.
course.
Hello. Hi, guys. Thank y'all.
Thank you for watching our channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button.